Hurry up, Aadi, you're getting late for school.
Yes, Mom. Gogu, please stay inside and hide. No one can see you.
No worries, Aadi. Bye-bye.
So, do you know what is programming?
No, ma'am.
Well, programming is like telling a computer or any electronic device what to do, and they will work for us. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
For homework, find examples of programming. The best one will get a big clap from everyone.
Do you have any ideas about programming, Aadi?
I'm not sure, but I'll ask Gogu. He knows everything.
Hey, Uncle. Who is doing this light on and off and changing the color?
No one, my boy. It's being programmed to do work like that.
Give a round of applause for Colin.
Gogu, do you know what programming is?
Yes, I am the biggest example of programming.
No, give me the right examples. You are not programming?
I am giving you the right example. I have been created using the programming. Ugh, leave it, you won't understand. Look at this remote control car. When you press this button, it goes forward. When you press this button, it goes backward. That's programming. Your washing machine follows washing instructions, right? You press that button and it starts washing clothes. That's also programming.
Wow, everything is programming.
Papa, do you know what is programming?
When you press a button and your photo is captured, that's programming.
Wow, what else is programming?
When you watch videos on YouTube or Instagram, that's also programming. Even your AC starts when you press a button. That's programming too.
So, what is programming?
Ma'am, the traffic signal is programming.
Wow, Colin, a good answer. Traffic signals are programmed to switch on and off and change colors at given time intervals, and that is exactly programming.
The fridge light turning on is also programming.
Very good. Even microwave, which turns on and off after 1 or 2 minutes, is the classic example of programming.
Mobile devices are all about programming. YouTube, which displays videos, is programming, and WhatsApp video calls are programming.
Aadi, what do you think programming is?
Ma'am, nowadays programming is everywhere. My remote control car goes back and forth when we press the button. That is programming. My washing machine has a program to wash clothes step by step.
Good. Everyone has done well. Let's clap for everyone. People who do programming are called programmers, software developers, or software engineers. We will try our best to make you good programmers.